HVAC marketing, the ChatGPT effect on lead generation in 2026. If your HVAC marketing still depends on keywords, forms, and follow-ups designed in 2024, you're already losing leads you never see. And in this video, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT is already reshaping HVAC lead generation and what mid-size operators need to change now to stay visible, relevant, and booked in 2026. By 2026, HVAC leads won't come from search results alone. They'll come from conversations. Customers are no longer typing AC repair near me. They're asking detailed, situational questions inside AI tools and on your site. If your marketing can't answer in real time, you're invisible. Here's a story for you. We worked with a $3.5 million HVAC company that replaced static service pages with a ChatGPT powered site assistant. It's pretty cool. And instead of forms, visitors asked things like, "My upstairs unit is short cycling only at night. Is that urgent?" Guess what? Those conversations converted at nearly double the rate of form fills. Not because of better copy, because the system listened first. This isn't about traffic, it's about understanding intent while it's still forming. Generic follow-ups will feel broken by 2026. Mid-range HVAC companies scale volume, not personalization. AI flips that. Every prospect expects a response that reflects their exact problem, their home, and their urgency. In that same $3.5 million company, ChatGPT analyzed chat and call notes before even sending estimates. Customers receive responses that reference their system age, symptoms, and energy concerns automatically. Close rates went up, sales effort went down. Nothing flashy, just relevance at scale. Personalization is no longer a competitive edge, it's table stakes. ChatGPT turns past conversations into future revenue. Most HVAC businesses wait for breakdowns. AI does not. AI looks for patterns before failure happens. By analyzing chat history and service notes, ChatGPT flagged customers describing airflow issues months earlier. The system prompted proactive maintenance outreach before peak seasons, all automated. Ha! 2026 is awesome. And those calls, they didn't feel like sales. They felt helpful. And they booked. And this is how service departments stop being reactive and start being predictable. Earlier, I said you're losing leads you never even see. And this is why. They're not failing to find you. Your systems are failing to respond the way customers now expect. ChatGPT isn't a tool you add to your marketing. It's a shift in how demand shows up and how revenue gets captured. The HVAC companies that win in 2026 won't chase AI trends. They'll build systems around conversations, intent, and timing. If you want help designing that system calmly, practically, and without chasing tactics, we post new videos weekly. Real systems, real results.